We wondered, would it be possible to sanitize without using detergent? It would certainly be more sustainable, safer, and cheaper. We decided to apply the same system to floor cleaning. From this came AQUE technology, which turns tap water into a chemical-free sanitizing solution. The water passes through a continuous flow reactor installed on board the scrubbing machine, which uses electrolysis to activate the naturally present chlorine molecules and convert it into hypochlorous acid. We thus obtain an effective bactericide that is environmentally friendly because it comprises natural elements, water, and electricity. The chlorine in the solution oxidizes the organic substances that make up the dirt, attacking and disintegrating it. The brush performs its mechanical action and the dirt is permanently removed. The bacterial load is thus cut down, the floor is clean and sanitized. The solution obtained with AQUE can be used instead of detergents when cleaning other surfaces. It is suitable for daily floor cleaning and maintenance, which account for about 90% of applications. In industrial, logistics, trade, and civil sectors. Our laboratory tests document AQUE solution's effectiveness, proving the system's validity and its washing and sanitizing results. AQUE safeguards the environment. The solution is generated by a 100% recyclable reactor. It avoids the production of plastic for detergent bottles and CO2 from their transport and disposal. The bactericidal action protects tanks from bacterial proliferation. It reduces environmental impact as wastewater contains no surfactants. It is safe for the environment and humans. It eliminates the chemical risk associated with storage and direct contact during use. It eliminates detergent purchase costs, training in their use, and machine maintenance costs. Together, we can reduce the carbon footprint of floor cleaning. Choose FIMAP's AQUE technology for environmentally sustainable cleaning.